Alright guys, this is the Progress Lane builder. In my brother's room, here's the light. One ball was burnt out, unfortunately. And there was the same fan that I broke upstairs. So that's low. And the fan it used to be in the whole house, but the one in the fan room broke, the one in my room, I don't know if I have it anymore. But it used to be my collection, but now it's blown out. And the one that used to be in my parents' room and my siblings' room upstairs, those ones broke, unfortunately. So now this is the only Progress Lane fan that's in the whole house. And now we have three Hampton Brookhurst replacing the same exact fans. Doomlium. And yeah, it was like a few months ago when I broke these same fans. So, I mean, it was kind of a long time ago. And we've been in this house for like a year and a half now. So, yeah. Like, doesn't really wobble. And the blades are a little bit warped, but it doesn't wobble surprisingly. It got too high. I mean, it does blow some air, but it's still not a very good fan. Turn it back to medium. That's low. Now spin down. And the blades are not reversible on it because I mean it's just a plain white fan that you can see. The light kit, I don't think it's the original because I mean the light kit's dark nickel or something. I mean the light kit's hard to read, but the fan is Progress lighting. Yeah, so I don't know why they would use a hard light kit on that fan. I don't think I can get better lighting in here. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching, comment, rate, subscribe.